In this video, I'd like to show you inkee Falcon 3 Plus gimbal, which I've done a lock mechanism to support it for carry it. And what I've done, I'm just going to remove it. I have a brackets myself for counterweight. That's the brackets of the counterweight. And what I've done, I put a quarter UNC, 30mm long, which is locked, and you can see it. I got the lens mode in there, and what I've done to lock it, flip it, put this in there, lock it, and it can go nowhere else, and it's stable all the time. This is simple. Every people like it. It does work. Everything's fine. Thank you for watching.